how to delete your Era Match account. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can delete your Era Match account. Alright, so what do you do? First of all, the first step is to log in into your Real Match account just like I have done here. And then once you've done that, next step is move to the top right corner where you can see your settings icon and then click on it. After clicking on it, you can see the settings page being displayed. On this page, you can see music, sound, int, notifications, support, save your progress, parental control. So just go ahead and click on support. And so after clicking on support, you'll be taken to the support page. On this page, you can see the number of options are available here. And the next step is for you to move to the top right corner where you can see a chat box. Now the reason you're doing this is to save your time, okay? So you won't have to go through much processes. So once you click on the chat box, you will be brought to your Royal Match support page. So on this page, you can now go ahead to type out what you need help with, which is you would like to delete your account. So after submitting your request, so you'll be asked to fulfill or meet some requirements. Go ahead and do that. And then after you've done that, the process may take up to 7 days. Just wait for a while, and then after that, your account would be deleted. Okay. Now, if you do not want to go through this method, you can just your come back to your help page, and then once you're in your help page, move to the top right corner as well where you can see the search icon and then click on it. After clicking on it, you can just go ahead and type out account deletion. Okay. And so after clicking on it, you'll be brought to the account deletion page. So once you're on this page, you can now see the process on how to go about it. So read through this, follow the instructions, and you'll be able to delete your account. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.